Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to animate images with Runway ML. So firstly go to Runway ML, go to the official website and then log into your account or sign up for an account. It's free. You can just do that, and once you are done here, to animate an image, what we're going to do is you're going to go to this video tab here. So here you have two options here. Click on the video option here. So click on video option here, and then here click on select asset and then insert your image that you want to animate. So upload your image. Okay, so just do that. So once you have added it, your image, now you go to describe how do you want to animate it. Like give a prompt to do that. For example, like a slow pan across a mountain. In this case, I would say like a zoom in effect. So for example, what I'm going to do is, okay, so give instructions on how do you want to animate it and on those things. Okay, so you can just do that. Once you're done with that, what we're going to do, you can leave it as it is and you can select the duration here. So how long you want this, I'll leave it as 5 seconds. And then all you have to do, you can select the aspect ratio, what's the ratio for the video you want to set it up. Do that, and then once that's done, click on generate. Once your video has been generated here, you can click on the play button to watch your video. Okay, so as you can see now, see this image is now being animated, so it's now been animated. Okay, so this is how you animate it. So once you can also download this if you click on this share option here, or you can share it, or if you want you can click on this download option to download this video. So this is how you animate the images. Hope the video was helpful.